5 Best Laptops on Amazon. When it comes to finding a reliable, high-performing laptop, Amazon offers a range of options suited to various needs, whether you're a student, a professional, or a gaming enthusiast. With thousands of choices, picking the right one can feel overwhelming. To help you out, we've curated a list of the 5 best laptops on Amazon, covering models that excel in performance, portability, battery life, and value for money. From sleek ultrabooks to powerful gaming machines, these top picks bring together the latest in tech to meet your needs. HP Intel Iris Xe Graphics. The HP laptop equipped with Intel Iris Xe graphics is a powerful choice for users who need solid performance and reliable graphics capabilities. Featuring Intel's 11th Gen processors, this laptop is tailored for handling day-to-day productivity tasks and some light creative work, like photo editing or digital art. The Intel Iris Xe graphics card enhances the overall visual experience, delivering better color accuracy, smoother graphics, and improved visual processing. Perfect for users who engage in media-heavy activities. Its display, typically a full HD panel, complements the graphics well, giving users a crisp and vibrant viewing experience. This HP model is also a solid choice for multitasking, thanks to its impressive combination of RAM and SSD storage options. The laptop boots quickly, allowing you to access your files and applications almost instantly. It also features a modern design with slim bezels and a lightweight build, making it easy to carry around, whether for work, school, or personal use. With several USB ports, an HDMI port, and a microSD slot, the HP Intel Iris Xe graphics laptop is well equipped for connecting peripherals, enabling flexibility in how you work or play. Battery life is another strong suit of this model, as HP has optimized it for all-day usage on a single charge, perfect for those who need to work on the go. Additionally, it runs on the Windows 11 operating system, allowing users to take advantage of new productivity tools, a fresh user interface, and updated security features. VGKey EC15. The VGKey EC15 is an affordable laptop option that doesn't compromise on essential features. It comes with an Intel Celeron processor, which is sufficient for handling light productivity tasks, such as browsing, word processing, and watching videos. This makes it a great choice for students or professionals on a budget who only need a laptop for basic tasks. The VGKE EC15 has a 15.6-inch Full HD display, which is notable in this price range and ensures a pleasant viewing experience, whether you're working on documents or streaming content. A key highlight of the VGKE EC15 is its build quality and design, as it often comes in a slim and lightweight form factor, which is unusual for budget-friendly models. The laptop's keyboard and trackpad are user-friendly, offering a good typing experience and reliable navigation, which is essential for extended use. The VGKE EC15 also provides a satisfactory range of connectivity options, including USB ports, an HDMI port, and even a microSD card slot for extra storage flexibility, allowing users to connect their necessary peripherals easily. Battery life on the VGKE EC15 is average, but generally sufficient for light usage throughout the day. While it may not be suitable for heavy multitasking or gaming, it's a dependable choice for users who need a simple, affordable laptop for everyday tasks. Running on Windows 10 or 11, it allows users access to essential software and productivity applications without any major performance concerns. Asus VivoBook 14. The Asus VivoBook 14 is a well-rounded laptop that combines affordability with performance, making it ideal for students and young professionals. It features an AMD Ryzen or Intel Core processor, depending on the configuration, ensuring smooth performance for everyday tasks, multitasking, and even some creative work. The laptop's 14-inch Full HD display delivers clear, sharp visuals, with slim bezels that enhance the screen-to-body ratio, giving it a modern and immersive look. Additionally, the VivoBook 14 includes the Asus Splendid software, which offers display customization options to adapt colors and brightness to your preference. Build quality is a strength of the VivoBook 14, with a lightweight design that makes it easy to carry, especially for students who are frequently on the move. The keyboard is backlit, a convenient feature often missing in budget laptops, and offers a comfortable typing experience for long periods of use. The VivoBook 14 also supports various connectivity options, including USB-C, HDMI, and a microSD slot, catering to all essential peripherals and additional storage requirements. The laptop also boasts enhanced audio through Sonic Master technology, providing clear sound for video calls, streaming, and music. Battery life on the VivoBook 14 is impressive, lasting up to a full day on a single charge, making it suitable for on-the-go usage. It runs on Windows 11, allowing users to take advantage of the latest OS features, productivity tools, and an intuitive interface. HP Core i5-1235. The HP Core i5-1235 is a robust mid-range laptop designed for users who need reliable performance for productivity tasks and moderate multitasking. Equipped with an Intel Core i5-12 Gen processor, this model is suitable for handling intensive applications like spreadsheets, presentations, and even some graphic design or video editing. The full HD display provides vivid colors and clear resolution, making it great for professional use, while the Intel Iris Xe graphics provides a decent graphical performance for light editing or occasional gaming. This HP model is optimized for multitasking with 8 GB of RAM, which can be expanded if needed. Additionally, it includes a fast SSD, ensuring quick boot times and data access, which makes it ideal for busy professionals who need a responsive device. The laptop's design is practical, with a comfortable keyboard, precise trackpad, and a durable build quality that can withstand regular travel and daily usage. The laptop also features multiple connectivity options, including USB Type-C, HDMI, and multiple USB-A ports, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of accessories and devices. Battery life is also solid, with HP's power-saving technology helping extend its usage throughout the workday. Running Windows 11, this laptop allows users to maximize productivity with the latest OS features and updates. With a combination of powerful specs, a user-friendly design, and durability, the HP Core i5-1235 is an ideal choice for professionals looking for a capable laptop that performs reliably in various scenarios. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. For more awesome content, have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.